How to make the greatest comeback of your life. If you're watching this right now, chances are life didn't turn out the way you expected. You may feel stuck, lost, underestimated, or left behind. But understand this clearly, your current situation is not your final destination. Every great comeback begins with brutal honesty. You stop lying to yourself. You stop blaming people, luck, or circumstances. You look at your life and say, "This is where I am, and I take responsibility." That moment of ownership is where power returns. The next step is letting go of the old version of you. You cannot rise while holding on to habits that kept you weak. Discipline must replace comfort. Structure must replace chaos. Growth demands sacrifice, and that sacrifice is worth it. A comeback is built through daily discipline, not sudden motivation. You train your body even when you're tired. You work on your skills even when progress feels slow. You show up on days when no one is clapping for you. That's how confidence is rebuilt, by keeping promises to yourself. Stop trying to fix your entire life at once. Choose one mission and attack it relentlessly. Momentum in one area creates momentum everywhere else. Pain will come, but don't fear it. Pain is not punishment. Pain is preparation. The struggle you're facing today is shaping the strength you'll need tomorrow. Silence the noise. The doubts, the opinions, the comparisons, they don't matter. Move in silence. Work in silence. Let your results speak. A real comeback doesn't announce itself. It happens quietly, daily, relentlessly. And one day people will look at you and ask, "How did you change so much?" That's when you'll know, your comeback was real. Stand up. Stay consistent. Your greatest comeback starts today.